Yeah. Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Oh, look at this. Beautiful Saturday morning. We got a slab. Concrete's here. Ethan's here. Let's go. Let's get it happening. Alright, action on. This is the job. Actually looks pretty big. Must be over 300. Simon's not here. He's motorbike riding. That's what I'm going to do later. Stay tuned. Alright, it's 7 o'clock and we're just going around the bottom. Done the brick putting. All the way around. That's so the bricks can sit on if you don't know why we double box it. We're just filling the beams up now. Have fun. Okay, it's 7:20 and we're starting to do the top floor now. Yeah, it looks alright. Is it? Let's go. Okay, we got some in now. Maybe a quarter of the way after these runs here. Got another truck waiting, let's go. Alright guys, it's 8:30 and we got a fair bit in now. I've just been screeding the whole thing so far. Mitch has been pulling back. Little Robbie's been putting the pads in. The rails, Lance putting the heights in. Mono's bull floating. And there's a few other guys just cruising around. Cleaning up, catching up with shit. But it's looking pretty good, Simon. Looking good, buddy. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. It's still pretty hot over here in Australia. I got me like little, what's it called? I forget what it's called now. Mangrove jack hat. But I'm happy you're enjoying your Saturday. I'm trying to enjoy mine. I'm gonna go motorbike riding later with my cousins and my brother. We got some bad news the other day, but or 2 days ago, but I won't really say much about it yet. But yeah, my dad's very sick in hospital. He's got cancer. So yeah, not good for him. He just went for a big operation and now he's yeah, back in hospital again. Anyway, we'll get this day happening. Let's go. Thinking of your dad. Love you, mate. This is my boot. Alright, it's 9:30. We got most of it in. We just got this one little part there left to go. I'm just sitting here on me back of my truck, laying on my ramp, flattening me back out. Oh, back's a bit sore. It was 320 squares or something, so feeling it. Okay guys, it's 9:35 or something, 9:38. Like I said, I did all this part here, squared all this part off. All over here, all over there. That part over there is live on Facebook if you want to go see it. I'm concreting for you mate. And Wayno and the boys are going to do this last bit. I'm out. No. I can have a go. Like I said, I did all that, so I can have a play on this bit. And I'll film a little bit. We'll go and test the concrete up here. So I was saying, this is probably 2 hours old. What's going on? Let's get there. Getting there. Not totally ready, but it's close. By the time they finish this up, I reckon I'll be ready. Boys, just want to really switch now. Do this bit for me. Bum, bum, bum. The mud's been pretty good. Nice and fluffy. Not too wet. Not bleeding, so which is really good. Got Lance over here. Hey mate, how you going? Pretty good. Lance, you get the height. Richie's tapping the boxing. We don't like vibrating the top bit right now, so we'll blow the bottom out a lot. We got a big Wayne over here. Wayne, we used to work for Wayne a lot back in the day. You would have seen a lot of old videos where we used to work with Wayne, probably about 3-4 years ago. Are you going to pull it out that way and go back? Yeah. I like your style. Checking with the string lines. People ask us why we like adjust the boxing. Do you think your boxing can hold up this much weight and not move at all? Well, I don't know. When you're vibrating stuff and you're on sand and you want to check everything. And I'll never trust your boxing too much. They could have bumps in it everywhere, so. Nice. Taking a bit there. Come on, let's go, let's go. Huh?
When you need a beer, it's just gonna sweat.
Ah! Richie reckons if we get 1,000 likes, he'll do a gumshoe. after his big pull, yeah. Yeah. Walking up and down the stairs as well. Oh. Nice. Right, beautiful. He's got the line. Go, Robbie, you got this. We got the big Robster. Rob Stomby. Rob Stomby. That's it. Slice it and dice it. Rob.
Yeah.
I'll give you a little pointer. If you can start off with your screed square, sitting flat, you're going to close up everything as you're doing it at the same time.
So keep more.
If you can keep your screed the whole time, you're doing way quicker. You know what I mean? Not just the end. Like, you know you do it at the end, yeah. But try to do it from the start. That's good, bud. Like this. Keep it square, yeah. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful. Done. Go. As long as you're flat, mate, that's the main thing.
We need more, I forgot about that. No, he's not.
That's it. Go, next one. That's it, go. Done. Mitchie on this side. Mitchie, this side. Get up him. Beautiful. See when you're rolling it back this way, don't roll it up. Keep it flat. Think about it, you got a bull nose on this side. So if you keep it flat, it should bull nose like, you know what I mean? Yeah. You're wasting that pull, I think. Yeah, that's it, done. Beautiful. Look at both your sides, yeah. Nice, that's it, done. That's it, done. You know, if you get it and you keep doing it, you're gonna make yourself lower again.
Yeah.
So don't stop. Just once you hit them pads, yeah. That's good. Come and check this again. Checked it in before. Let's do it now. That's harder. Let's go. Let's get into it. Alright, 10:15 and I just hit this far so far. Just did the edges as well. Ain't got on the helicopter. What's going on here, Simon? Oh, good. First shower's out.
Nancy's getting the bottom, I'm getting this.
Alright. Yeah, show us the concrete ender. Oh. Right, it's 11 o'clock. Look at it. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful, Simon. Nearly cracked it all. Let's put that last bit down there to crack, and then, yeah, this part will be done soon. Up here. Beautiful. Boys are stripping. Into it. We're getting it happening here. I need to pick all the pegs up, see? We're not picking all the pegs up. Pick all the shit up first and then take the timbers off. We're done. Alright, it's 11:45. This part's all done here, down here, done down until about here somewhere, I reckon. Mitch, you going alright, mate? All good? Just stripped it up already, like that. Only the front bit to go, eh, really? A few more timbers. Good work. That's what I like to see. Alright, Lance?
Yeah, mate.
All good?
Yep.
Alright, it's 12 past 12. And she's done up there now, all the way down to here. She's blacking a little bit. Lance wanted me to hit one more time, so I did. And yeah, I'll just do this bit over here in the garage and she's done. Probably another hour, I reckon. The boys will be done by then too. Right, guys, I might leave you just there for now because my battery's about to die on my phone. But I'll see you very soon. I'm going to go to my brother's house and ride my little motorbike, my little ramp. So I might see you out there, I might not. I might make another whole video, we'll see. But anyway, subscribe and leave a comment if you can and share one of my videos, it'd be much appreciated. I haven't been feeling very good lately, so I'm being very, very sick. But that's my problem, not yours.